This phone allada vera game onnumilla ningalku. The oritham kedakana kanda. See this? What's your plan?
Why are you recording?
I want to post this in the YouTube and Facebook to show people like what you are doing on all Saturdays and Sundays.
That's because for me, personally, I can't watch YouTube or do anything like that on Mondays to Fridays. That's why I play mostly on Saturdays.
So from Monday to Friday, what all games you play? So Saturday, Sunday you are sitting in computer again or phone again. And there is one more girl. I'll show her also. See this girl? This girl is also playing here. You don't have anything to play other than this? What game is this?
Murder mystery.
So everybody is busy with computer and phone, right? So shall we go out?
Yeah.
You had your dinner or lunch? Come, let's go.
Nauri's coming?
Yeah, she's coming. Let's go for lunch. Switch off the fan. Oh, this is Nauri. Rowdy. Let's go. Put your shoes. അങ്ങനെ ഇന്നത്തെ ദിവസം പരിവാരങ്ങളെയും കൊണ്ട് ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാൻ പുറത്തേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങുകയാണ്.
Mustache pink. Okay, his hair. No, his eyes are blue. No.
ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ ആരുമില്ല. I am in the front. You all are in the back. Yes.
Whenever we're at McDonald's, we're about to eat something here. What is about to get let's check on the true Maharaja. This is now truly amazing. That's not even a bite. That's a monster bite. I don't want. Everyone, whoever finishes has to meet in the. Everyone, whoever finishes. Come on. Whoever finishes has to go to the second counter. I don't know what it is. I got 500. So make it half kilo. So make it half kilo. I'm taking tissue because the double coconut milk is not there. Plenty.
Hello.
Please check. 1 coconut oil, 1 liter coffee. The Milma ghee 500 grams. Yeah. Maggi coconut milk powder check. Yeah. Double O's coconut milk can no be good. Yes. Bread. Yes.
So what is the alternative for this thing?
Huh?
coconut milk.
We actually we didn't.
Instead of coconut milk, we bought oil.
No, the oil was supply.
No, Mama needs double horse coconut milk.
But we don't have that.
So just find out what is the next option for that.
Coconut milk.
Are there? Go and ask Chechu. Go and ask Chechu.
ഇവിടെ കോക്കനട്ട് മിൽക്ക് ഇല്ല.
No. No. Mama, is it okay if we get a, you know the, in the like, you know the juice bottle, the small Tetra pack for juice? Yeah, there is, but no double holes, not double holes. We took four. Only four is enough, okay, bye. Only four. Does she know it's
ഒരു മിനിറ്റില്
now to take that.
It was a lot of fun and we had a challenge that he will tell all the ingredients. We should try to get them.
Now we can you on the AC.
Fine. We went to Bismia and buy all these things. And there was 1 minute to buy whatever we want. And last we buy the snacks. 1 minute. And I went to the chattel and told 500 kg. Then the chatting got confused. Then I told no and 500 kilograms.
I have a small tip for you. If you and your child are going to a mall or a shopping center, so first thing you should do is give your child a task. My papa gave me a task to get coconut oil, and I got and gave me a price limit of 200 rupees. I found KPL Shruti for about 195 rupees for 1 liter. So I got that. Like that you can give your child many different tasks so that he can help you during your shopping. So that too, he'll have fun. Whenever I go to shopping normally, I always get bored and I just look around. But when I got the task, it was awesome. We ran around, we got all the stuff, and we did a small race to see who did it first. And I think he won. Thariq won. Yeah.
I think he was last because Kicha finished first and I got second. And
Yeah, the thing was, I was